So today we're going to talk about exfoliation. What is it? What actually happens to your skin during exfoliation? And how should you exfoliate safely? And in the end of this video, I will also show you the products I use and my exfoliation routine. So please be sure to watch this video till the very end. Hey guys! I am always drinking coffee. Okay, so hey friends, so it's fall already, it's already October, can you believe it? And have you noticed that your skin is a little bit more dull and flaky than in summer? And I have a solution for you, exfoliation! So please take coffee, take granulated salt or sugar and mix it with coconut oil. Then rub into your skin until you are fully red. Okay, stop. Please don't do it. If you use such kind of scrub on your body, it's okay, depending on your skin. If you have sensitive skin, if you have rosacea, if you have dermatitis or atopic dermatitis, it's not okay. If you have normal or oily skin also on your body, maybe such scrub won't be a problem, but never use it on your face. Never. It actually hurts me how exfoliation is kind of advertised like a magic pill for skin, and all these scrubs, acids, all these tools are like thrown on us, and no company would explain the risks, the rules, how should you exfoliate. They just say, use it. And you say, thank you, okay, should I use this scrub every day or twice a day? And nobody talks about the risks of over exfoliation, unfortunately. Thankfully, here on YouTube, there are a lot of estheticians and dermatologists talking about it, but still I do get DMs in Instagram. We do promote our facial scrub and facial mittens for scrubbing, and I'm like, facial scrub? Are you serious? And probably if you are very gentle and if the scrub is very gentle and your skin is on the oily side, probably it won't hurt much. Probably it won't damage your skin much, but still, if you have more gentle options, why do we use physical exfoliation? No understand. And you're probably wondering, what is it with my skin? And yes, my skin is very sensitive now. Yesterday I went to a esthetician and she did the chemical peel on my skin, and my skin is naked. And in the morning I thought, why should I put the foundation on if I am filming about exfoliation? And my face can show you guys how really intensive are chemical peels, and you need to be cautious when exfoliating at home. And if you're not sure if you're doing everything right, please consult with your dermatologist or go to your esthetician, and never use professional peelings at home. Hello guys, I'm Kate, I'm a pharmacist and I'm passionate about skincare and all things beauty. Welcome to my channel, and I hope you will learn something useful in every single video. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and don't miss my next video. So let's talk what is exfoliation. Our skin is constantly creating new skin cells, causing dead or older skin cells to shed. And the skin's outermost layer of epidermis is the layer of the skin we actually see. And this outermost layer of the epidermis is called stratum corneum. And now we know that stratum corneum isn't only the dead skin layer on our skin, it's actually the barrier that prevents the unwanted materials to go into our skin, to absorb through it, and it also controls the transepidermal water loss. So exfoliation is a process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, from the stratum corneum, and while everyone and their mother think that exfoliation is somewhat a magic pill for the skin, it's not actually for everyone, and if not done properly, it could do more harm than good. So if you are choosing to exfoliate, please make sure that you do it safely in order to your skin stay healthy and your skin barrier alive. So there are two types of exfoliation: mechanical, when you're physically removing the dead skin cells using scrub or some skincare tool, and the chemical, when you're using chemicals, in this case acids, to dissolve the dead skin cells. So physical exfoliators are considered to be more damaging to our skin than the chemical ones, and I personally do not use any scrubs or exfoliation tools on my face. I do sometimes use scrubs on my body, as the skin on our face is usually thinner and a lot more sensitive, and if you do not have such conditions like dermatitis, or if you don't have very dry skin on your body, you basically can use scrubs, but the scrubs should be as thin and as gentle as possible. In you yourself, you should be also very, very gentle. So don't rub. And with our face, no matter how gentle are we, there still can be a lot of damage, like micro tears. And if you have sensitive skin, dry skin, or some skin conditions, you better avoid the scrubs and physical exfoliators all at once. And that being said, I won't talk about physical exfoliation in this video, and from now on we will continue with only chemical exfoliation. There's one more thing to consider before starting to exfoliate, and it's your current routine. What actives are you using right now? Some actives are considered to make your skin more sensitive, and if used together while exfoliating, this could make your skin even worse, and it even can cause acne breakouts. So there are two types of exfoliating acids: AHAs and BHAs, or AHAs and BHAs, or alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids are water soluble, and that is why they only work on the surface of your skin. This promotes the cell turnover, and as a result of it, it promotes the collagen and elastin production. The examples of AHAs are tartaric acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, citric acid, and others. And AHAs are considered to be a lot more gentle than physical exfoliators. They are great for improving the skin texture, which is very helpful for such conditions like keratosis pilaris. And they also promote the collagen and elastin production, so they can improve the appearance of wrinkles. But guys, mind that at home peeling solutions, they cannot improve the appearance of deep skin, like wrinkles, deep lines, like the ones you have on the forehead. I have ones, and that is why I started getting the chemical peels at my esthetician's office, and after this I will talk about how it works on my forehead lines, but this ain't Botox. So AHAs are good for improving your skin texture, for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and for treating hyperpigmentation. And on the other hand, beta hydroxy acids, or BHAs, they are oil soluble. That is why they can go deeper in the pores, and they are great for acne prone skin, for whiteheads and blackheads. A good example of the BHA is salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is actually really great for oily and acne prone skin. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it's used for cleaning the pores, to reducing inflammation from the acne, and there are studies showing that it can actually prevent acne. So how should you exfoliate safely? The rule number one is always wear a sunscreen. And yes, I'm talking about sunscreens basically in every video or every second video, and I will continue doing so, as there are still many people who think that sunscreens are just marketing and they are not useful because it's sun. People have lived on the sun a lot of time. And you know, it's not that serious when you live like in Northern Europe, but if you live like in Texas or California or Arizona or somewhere where sun is very active, it's actually dangerous. And we all should use our sunscreen on a daily basis. We all should reapply it every 2 hours and avoid sun if it's possible. As you can see, exfoliation can make your skin more sensitive. And exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the outer layer of the skin, you remember? And yes, this makes our skin some kind of naked. And the rule number 2 is be as gentle as possible. Yes, I'm talking both about scrubs if you decided to use them, I cannot stop you. And I'm talking also about the acids. It's always best to use hands instead of wipes or cotton pads, and rub those acids into your skin as gently as possible, because I know the cotton pads are very soft, but still, and always follow the instruction. If the instruction says leave it for 10 minutes, leave it for 10 minutes. If the instruction says use it only in the evening and leave overnight and wash in the morning, wash it in the morning. And yeah, always follow the instructions and always be as gentle as possible. And the rule number 3 is basically the same as the rule number 2. Don't over exfoliate your skin. It's generally recommended to exfoliate maximum 1 to 2 times a week. And yes, in this case, the less you do it, the better your skin feels. And if you see some signs of over exfoliation, such as irritation, burning, peeling, dryness, tightness. Also, if you see a lot of small pimples on your skin, it may be one sign of the over-exfoliation. And what you should do is to stop exfoliating for some time and give your skin time to heal. For example, now my skin is, I won't say it's over-exfoliated, as I've done the it's just I've done the strong chemical peel at my esthetician's office, and my skin is very sensitive. That means that I should not exfoliate at home anymore till my skin is healed. And actually I cannot use exfoliating acid at all because I'm going on another appointment in 3 weeks, and we will do 4 sessions of chemical peel, and we'll see how it goes. And all this time I cannot use strong actives at home. Basically, for this time of chemical peels and recovery, my skincare routine will be gentle cleanser, some serum with centella, and a rich moisturizer. So what is my exfoliation routine? I usually exfoliate on Mondays. I don't know why this I don't know why on Mondays, but it's just been like this for some time. And I usually exfoliate on Mondays. I use either the Inky-List glycolic acid, or I use the Inky-List skincare with Hyrum. So basically I wash my skin with a gentle cleanser. After this, on a dry skin, I use the exfoliating acids, and after this I use the rich moisturizer. For now I use the Inky-List peptide moisturizer, and I also use retinol twice a week. And on the days when I use either exfoliating acids or retinol, I try to keep my routine as simple as possible. Thank you guys for watching, I hope this was helpful, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I see you in my next one. Bye! To the end.
till I